What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. And for this experiment I got WD-40. This is super cool life hack. If you have scratched up car, you maybe scratched it into the different car and you don't have a dent, all you have is scratches on the bumper or on your door, you know. It's actually, you can see that all the scratches, but WD-40 can actually fix that you will not see scratches from all the way. Well, let's check it out and see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I have scratched up my car, my bumper. How can we fix it? Well, WD-40. Let's check it out. We got WD-40. We're gonna sprinkle it on it. Just a bunch. And then we're gonna get a towel or paper towel and wipe it off nicely. Let's see if it actually works. Well, looks like I have a lot less now of the scratches. Before it was a whole bunch of them. Let's see if this one will come off. So all I did is put some WD-40 and looks like it's come off quite a bit. I'm gonna put some more. Look, it's coming off pretty good. You see how black it is? It's probably been dirty. See how much better it is already? You almost can't even see. A little bit of scratches, but look, farther away you can't even see. So let's try to make it even better. So looks like what it is, I scratched another car. My car is black, the other car is different color. So I got a whole bunch of paint like from the other car. So that's why I have those, looks like bunch of scratches. But if you put WD-40 on it and wipe it off really nice, put some muscle into it, this is actually gonna do a lot better, where you almost cannot see the scratches. Look at this, isn't that cool? And my bumper is like brand new, just a little scratches that from far away you can't even see anyways. And now look at this, no scratches whatsoever, but before it looked like there was a lot of scratches. From far away you cannot see it at all, even that far away you can't see that there was scratches at all. How crazy it is, look at this. You can't even see any scratch, but before it was like crazy. Oh, you can see a little bit, you see the scratch right here? You see the scratch right here, but now you almost cannot see it. Before it was a lot of scratches. Pretty crazy, huh? Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think in comments below. So if you have scratched up bumper or side of your car, try this life hack, WD-40, super cool, try it yourself. It's actually works pretty great on my car, you know. I could have spent like $200 painting it, or I like wiped it off, removed all this other car paint, and you know, I scratched his car and I paid for his car, and I'm like, whatever, just few scratches, I'm just gonna drive it like that. But then I'm like, why do I need to repaint my bumper or replace my bumper if I can get WD-40, wipe it off on a paper towel and wipe it, remove all the paint from the different car, from my black paint, and almost invisible scratches, just few scratches. And I don't care, you know, few little scratches, it's okay, it's a bumper. Before it was ugly, you can actually see it from far away. Now it looks shiny and you can't even see it. You have to really look to see those scratches. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, try it yourself, hopefully it helped you. Well, and I'll see you next time. And boom. But you know, let's see it again. So all you have to do is grab it by this thing all the way inside and put your elbow down this way, and you just like go that way and drop your shot.